Hey everybody, grab your forks, we're heading to Italy.
Cooking, not cleaning, we smoking and seasoning, grilling, sauteing, and chilling is the reason. Raddad Cooks, y'all.
I'm just kidding. We don't gotta go to Rome. We don't even gotta go to a restaurant with cheesy cloth napkins to enjoy a kick-ass Fettuccine Alfredo. That's right, the dish originally made by this guy right here. Alfredo something another. Consisted of some fresh butter, young Parmesan cheese, and freshly made fettuccine. He whipped it up in his mid-century Rome restaurant, and of course, in America, we added heavy cream to it to make it even richer than it already is. And that's exactly what we're doing today on Raddad Cooks. First things first, let's get our fettuccine pasta cooking. I'm not using fresh stuff, I'm using dry stuff right out of the box. We want to cook it al dente, around 12 minutes. Make sure you stir it up too, because fettuccine sticks. Once you get it cooked, we're going to go ahead and chill it out. This is called shocking. It's going to stop it from cooking by putting it in some cool water, mix it around. Then we're going to drain it again and give it a light coating of vegetable oil. This is going to keep it from sticking because we can get this ready up to 24 hours in advance before we're ready to make our dish. For cheeses, we're going Asiago and Parmesan. Keep them separately because we're going to kind of switch up the ratios on it. The original recipe uses young Parmesan. No, that's not a wrapper. It's a type of cheese, but we're going to substitute it with Asiago. For a garnish, we're going to cut up some fresh parsley. Besides being good for your kidneys, it really brightens up a cream dish. Last thing to prep is going to be some garlic. Chop it up. Now when we're ready to put this whole thing together, we're going to put a tablespoon and a half of butter and 1 tablespoon of garlic into a pan that we have heated over medium-high heat. You want to start off with your pan warm. After 30 seconds, our garlic is going to start to brown and we can add our shrimp. These are 2125s. We're going to cook them for 45 seconds on each side. Everything happens real fast in the saute pan, and we do not want to overcook these shrimp because they will get tough and weird. As soon as they're not opaque anymore, we can go ahead and pull them out of the pan as soon as they get that pinkness to them. Then we're going to add our heavy cream. We're going 10 ounces heavy cream. And we're going to let that reduce by 30%. After we've knocked 30% off the cream, we're going to add our cheeses. We're going 1.5 ounces of Asiago, 1/2 ounce of Parmesan. Let it reduce down a little bit more, and then we're going to add our fettuccine. We want 12 ounces. This is 1 serving size, so just multiply as you need. We're going to let it reduce down another 20% with that pasta in there. Let that pasta reheat. Remember, it's cold right out of the refrigerator. It's going to help absorb some of that creamy goodness. Once we got it reduced down that last little bit, we're going to add our shrimp back in. Mix them in to get them covered in that sauce and reheat it only about 30 seconds. And we are ready to plate. Grab that fettuccine, slide it onto the bowl, get the shrimp on top, sprinkle it with some Parmesan cheese as much as you'd like, and some of that fresh chopped parsley, and that is a kick-ass Raddad Cooks shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. I'm sure glad you all got your vouchers for your flights and decided to stay home and cook this in your kitchen with your mask on. Alfredo would be hella proud. If you guys want to learn how to make some more kick-ass pastas like this sausage and peppers classico or this Caramella's chicken straight out of the Macaroni Grill playbook, serve it up with a badass homemade Caesar dressing salad. Doesn't even use raw eggs, so you can't mess it up, and just about anybody can eat it. You know what to do. Thank you for tuning in, and if you love the content of this video, hit like on the way out. If you're new, become part of the Raddad Cooks ecosystem by subscribing and dinging that notification bell.